Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Right now it's 7:47 in the morning. I just got over here at Walmart. I'm waiting for my first order, you guys. I'm waiting for my first order. Let's see how long it's gonna take for them to give me an order. But what I see today, usually when I'm coming from on my way coming here, order be coming up like back to back at 7, but there was not order, y'all. I wasn't getting no type of order, so that tells me today's going to be a slow day. Let's just see. So let me sit here and see how long it's gonna take for me to get my first order. Yo, I told you, today is not it, y'all. Today is not it. So I waited for the whole hour before I get in the order, and they already put in here, so I'm about to go drop it off. It was $26 for 11 mile to drop off. So let's go drop it right now, and right now it's 9:09. This order, oof. Oh. All right, let's go drop it off. Yo, today is such a bad day. Today is so bad. It is super slow. Right now is 10:40, y'all. 10:40, and I didn't get my the order for 10:40. So that's how slow it is. And I missed the 9:40 order as well, because when I went to deliver my first order, I got here so late when they already dropped the orders. So I was patiently waiting for the 10:41, but I missed it as well. So they didn't bring no order. So that means it's super slow. So we know that in Spark right now, it's a slow month. It's really slow month. So I am thinking to go home right now and try in the afternoon, y'all, and come back around 2. I would love to turn Uber Eats on right now, or Uber Ride Share, whatever, but I am not in the mood for that, to be honest, today. So I'm not feeling good as well. So I'll just wanna go home and take some rest. If Spark is only your income, y'all, we need to remember to save your money. When Spark is slow, let's save the money, y'all. It's gonna help us when it comes to the day that we didn't work or we don't have orders. So let's remember to save our money, y'all. Let's save. Because today might be a good day and tomorrow might be a very bad day. We never know when it's gonna be a good day and when it's gonna be a bad day. So all we gotta do is save, And one thing that I learned, y'all, we need to have many different apps, many different gig apps, because you never know what's gonna happen to your app. You never know. So I have Amazon Flex, y'all. I have been approved for that for very long time. Amazon Flex. I just I don't like it, y'all. I used to watch videos about it, people who does it, but I just don't like it. The only reason that I don't like it, they don't tell you the mile until you get there. You don't know how many packages that you're going to deliver until you get there. I don't know. I don't like it, From what I saw how people doing it, I don't like it. So I gave myself to 11 o'clock till I go home. I gave myself to 11 o'clock. If I don't receive an order, boom, I'm gonna go. But look at God. Oh my god. I just received an order, you guys. $40. $40, a shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 40 items. So $40, 40 items, and for I think 4 mayo, if it's not 5 mayo. Wow. Wow. Let's go shop, y'all. Let's go shop this order. Yo, I'm done shopping for the order. This order here was super easy. It only took me 33 minutes. Yeah, 33 minutes to shop. 40 items. So let's go deliver it. Yo, I know I told you guys I wasn't feeling good. You know, when there's not orders and you're not feeling good, it gets worse. But if there was orders that can keep me busy, I wouldn't go home. So I'm feeling dizzy, y'all. I have it. So I need to go home and take a rest. I need to go home and sleep. Take a good rest. It's slow anyway. I don't know if in afternoon it's gonna catch up, but I don't care at this point. I do not care. I have been here for hours, y'all. I have been here since 7:40, and right now it's 12. I only did two orders. Can you imagine that nonsense? Can you imagine how slow it is? So I'm giving up. I'm going home. I'm going home to rest. So if you watch this video, let me know, y'all. Let me know, how is your place? Like, was it slow too? Like this, y'all? Let me know. Was your place this slow? Because over here it was super slow, y'all. It was super slow. I have a headache and I'm feeling dizziness, so I need to go to sleep. Y'all. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment down below. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope tomorrow it's going to be a good day. Who knows? Who knows, y'all? I hope tomorrow is going to be a great day. Anyway, if you have been watching my video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so we can get to 1,000. All right, y'all. I love you, and I see you tomorrow. Bye.